To be number one imposes great responsibility and sets high standards on yourself. To be fast means to act differently. To achieve results is to dig your work. Customer satisfaction, helping people. General recognition, our common success and each and every personal one. Global brand domination, and every win of a single franchisee. Watching first steps of trainees, growing into more than 700 store managers. Dig the opening of the first store 10 years ago just as much as the opening of the 60th today. Rejoice in change and development, winning every day and becoming the best in the world. Enjoy working and spending time with loved ones. Look into the future with confidence, striving to be the best version of ourselves. We are creating future now. Domino's Pizza, 10 years in Ukraine, 60 years in the world.